Welcome back to another Element Pack Pro tutorial. Today, we're exploring the Shape Divider, a creative design tool that adds stylish, customizable SVG shapes between sections on your website. Perfect for hero banners, section breaks, and footers, it creates smooth, visual transitions that keep your layout looking fresh and engaging. With unique shapes, gradients, and positioning, you can transform plain edges into eye-catching designs, giving your site a polished look and guiding visitors smoothly through your content. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. To begin, navigate to the page or design where you want to apply the Shape Divider feature. For this tutorial, we've already selected the design we'll be working with. Next, click on the section you wish to customize, then head over to the Style tab in the Elementor editor. Scroll down until you find the Shape Divider section and click to expand it. Within the Shape Divider settings, you'll notice two sub-tabs labeled Top and Bottom. Starting with the top tab, you'll find a variety of shape divider styles to choose from. When you select one, the shape will automatically be applied to the top edge of your chosen section. Once a shape is applied, a set of customization options will appear below. First, you can adjust the color of the shape to match your design's palette. Then, you have control over the height and width, allowing you to scale the shape exactly as you need. Take your time to explore the different shape styles available under the top tab, and pick the one that complements your overall design the best. Additionally, you'll find some handy customization toggles such as Flip, Invert, and Bring to Front, which let you adjust the orientation and layering of the shape for a perfect fit. Now, let's switch over to the bottom tab. Similar to the top tab, this section offers a variety of shape divider styles that will be applied to the bottom edge of your selected section. You can choose any shape you like here and customize its color, height, and other options, such as flipping the shape or bringing it to the front of other elements on your page. Once you've fine-tuned the shape dividers to your satisfaction and ensured everything blends seamlessly with your design, make sure to save your changes by hitting the Publish button. And that's how you can use the Shape Divider feature in Element Pack Pro to add style and flow to your web design. If you'd like to see more creative possibilities, head over to our demo page and explore all the shape styles in action. For the latest and most powerful design tools, make Element Pack Pro your trusted plugin to take your website creativity to the next level. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest features and tools from Element Pack Pro. Thanks for watching.